In this video I'm going to show you how to add another account on Facebook. So of course you first want to open a Facebook app on your mobile phone on your desktop. Now once you are there, you want to navigate to the menu, and the menu is located at the bottom right where your profile icon is as well. Once you are here, none of these settings will actually help you, but what you need to do, you need to log out, then you click log out, and once you have logged out, you will have an option to log in into a new account or existing one. So from here you can enter a mobile number or email address, password, and log in. If you want to create a new account, just click create new account, and that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to fix it for you.